Istanbul, the captivating city that bridges two continents, is a place where history and modernity merge seamlessly. Situated at the crossroads of Europe and Asia, it's a treasure trove of culture, heritage, and stunning landscapes. At the heart of Istanbul lies the historic Old City, home to iconic landmarks like the Hagia Sophia, the Blue Mosque, and the Topkapi Palace. These architectural marvels reflect the city's rich past as the capital of the Byzantine and Ottoman Empires. The Bosphorus Strait, a natural wonder, divides the city and offers breathtaking views of palaces, historic mansions, and bustling waterfront activity. A cruise along the Bosphorus is a must. Istanbul's Grand Bazaar is a shopper's paradise with thousands of shops offering everything from intricate carpets to exquisite jewelry. The Spice Bazaar is a sensory delight with its fragrant spices and teas. Turkish cuisine is a gastronomic journey in itself. From savory kebabs to sweet baklava, the city's diverse culinary scene is a true delight for food enthusiasts. Modern Istanbul is a vibrant metropolis, with bustling neighborhoods like Taksim Square and Kadıköy on the Asian side. The city's lively arts scene, world-class shopping, and thriving nightlife offer endless entertainment options. Istanbul is a city where East meets West, and where ancient history meets contemporary life. It's a place that leaves a lasting impression on all who visit, and it beckons travelers to explore its rich tapestry of experiences.